This video is going to demonstrate how to run a Medicare Advantage quote on your Emrick quoting tool. So when you sign into the quoting tool, underneath the Tools section, underneath the Medicare Supplement PDP, you can hit this black Run Quote button. From there, it will take you to the next page where you will start by entering your client's zip code. It will then populate the city, the state, and well as the county here, so you can confirm your client's location. Underneath the plan, we can look at a Medicare Advantage plan, a Medicare Part D, or any of your special needs plans, so your chronics or your duals. We can also sort it by price, or we can sort it by the company name. Underneath the client label, we can add your client's name, so when you do print something out for your client, it will have their name on it. From there, we'll hit Get Quote. It will then take you to the quote results page where it will show all the different plans that are available for your client. We will have some additional information. So we will have the max out of pocket, the plan name, the star ratings, if there's any drug deductible amounts, what type of drug benefit there is, the plan type. So we will have all those different names and IDs in there for you to look at. Within this, we can also click on the plan details section. This will give me details on what is included in that plan so I can see what they are paying out of pocket for the different services. There are a couple of different views, so this is a hiding most of the plan benefits. In the upper right hand corner, there is a show all plan details. If I click on that, it is going to give me additional coverage that may not have been available in the first summary. So this is where we'll see all of those different benefits and amounts, so you can take a look at that. This information can always be printed or saved as a PDF for the client. If I go back to the quote results page, there are a couple of different ways in which I can view this information. So when I have my expand quote selected, I'm able to see a lot of information here. The market analytics section, this will show me my county penetration and my company enrollment numbers. So quickly going over county penetration, these are the counts that are updated each month of how many people are eligible for a Medicare Advantage plan, and then how many people are actually enrolled. And then on the right hand side, we will see out of those individuals who are enrolled, how many are enrolled in this particular plan. So for this Aetna Medicare plan, I can see that there's just under 2,000 individuals who are enrolled in this particular county that I am looking at. So if you wanted to see kind of which plans were most popular amongst individuals in that area, the county penetration numbers can give you a good idea on that. Let's say, for example, your client is interested in a couple of different options. We can always select up to 5 different plans for your client to review. So as I select them, they turn green, then they appear in the compare quotes box in the upper left hand corner of the screen. So from here I can see the 3 plans side by side, and then also I can compare the benefits side by side together. So this is a good way for your client to review those different plan options and see the difference between all of those plans. From here, we can always, again, save this as a PDF and also print it. So when we do export it to a PDF, it will populate your contact information as well as showing Emrick's logo in the upper left-hand corner. It will have your client's name and all of those plans side by side. If I go back to the quote results page here, there's a couple of other ways in which I can export this information if I don't want to do it in the compare quotes section. So I can print this entire page as itself as a PDF, or I can export all the raw data into an Excel file so I have that for my records. We can also from here go to the different types of plans here. So if you are more interested in looking at a Part D plan, in the upper right I can just change this and hit Get Quote. Now it will show me all the different Medicare Part D plans. so I can review those. Again, we can do the same thing with the comparison feature. If I wanted to select multiple plans and compare them side by side, I can. And then we can do the same thing underneath special needs. Just hit get quote, and it will then show any of the special needs plans that we have available for that area. So if you wanted to compare a Medicare Advantage plan or a special needs plan side by side to a drug plan, you can also do that as well. So I can select a plan. It's going to appear in my compare quotes button next to the other plans that I have selected. So you can do a side-by-side of a Medicare Advantage plan next to a Medicare Part D plan. You would just select them in your compare quotes and then run your different plan type there. So if you have any questions on how to use the Medicare Advantage PDP quoting tool on Emrick's quoting website, you can always call Emrick. They're always happy to answer any questions you may have. You can also contact CSG Actuarial for any technical support.